Okay, good day. Another video, another box to open, another toy to look at. This is the Hasbro Siege War for Cybertron Fan Vote Battle 3-pack. I remember before they announced the Siege line, Hasbro had this poll in their website about which characters do you want to see. And I remember voting for this one, Impactor versus Mirage. Of course, during that time there was already a Mirage out, recently released. So it was a weird sort of... Oh wait, the Mirage was released during the the Combiner Wars set. But still, it was a fairly recent release, so it was weird that they were going to release another one. So anyway, this is the toy that we're gonna unbox today. I had this for quite a while now. I've been putting off opening it since I started making videos again, and somebody said it would be good content for me to open a bunch of toys in front of the camera. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, this is a 3-pack, meaning there's another figure inside. It's a... what do you call this? Reissue. Not a reissue. It's a recolor of the weaponizer, the first weaponizer they released. The one for... yeah, you can't see him. He's right behind me. Aha! There! Metroplex! I forgot his name. Every time I do these videos, I forget the characters' names. 6 gun was the one for Fortress Maximus. I don't have a Fortress Maximus, but I do have a 6 gun. So that means the weaponizer for Metroplex would be... I just put the name here when I do the edit. So this one features Power Dasher Aragon, not Aragorn. Aragon. Says here he's a weaponizer figure, becomes weapons. He break apart weapons. Yeah, break apart weapons. So let's take a look at the packaging. I see there's a plastic window for Mirage, and then Impactor. I really like Impactor. I think he was introduced to the Transformers universe, not through the cartoons. I don't know if he's part of the G1 cartoons, but I do know that he's part of the comics. I was introduced to him via IDW's Wreckers comics, Scenes of the Wreckers, I believe. And I really like the character. They also tied him to like Megatron. He used to be a Decepticon. In fact, in this set, he's still a Decepticon. And the Mirage in here, which will also be, both of them will have a regular release deluxe for the Siege line. This one sports a new head, which I believe is the better head, and Decepticon insignia. Well, this Mirage is a translucent version of the deluxe, which will release. I don't know, they've been late releasing here in the Philippines lately. So anyway, let's open this up. Wait, here's the top of the box, side of the box featuring the Siege artwork. On the other side, which usually would feature an artwork of the figures inside, is just an artwork of the art. And in the back are product shots. Sorry, can you see it? The ring light reflects. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, wait. So somebody suggested to me that instead of you saying my ugly mug all the time while I'm opening this, just open it in my perspective. So let's see it again. So there. Okay, so let's open this. I already removed the tape holding this tree. I think I'm gonna ruin this box. So chance of resale value. Well, anyway, I'm not reselling this. Oh, there's still some tape. I missed this tape. I was setting up. While I was setting up the camera, I was removing the tape. I missed this one. I can't remove the tape. Sorry about this. There we go. Oh, there's still some tape left. Hi. Remove the tape. Open this flap. There's another tape here. This side. Oh, I got this. If you're wondering where I got this, though this is out in retail already in your Toy Kingdoms and your Toys R Us outlets in the Philippines, I got this from Hobby Corner in Mega Mall Shopsville. If you're wondering where I got this. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. The Weaponizer Aragon, the Power Dasher Aragon, his parts are he's not really displayed prominently in the box. He's in pieces and he's strewn around with Mirage and Impactor. See that? I think that's his torso. Those are his arms. I think that's his crotch. Anyway, let's open it up. Oh, they have their own. When you open it, they have their own. What do you call this? Clamshell and a box to house it. So here is Impactor with Aragon's torso, I believe, and here is Mirage with Aragon's limbs. Can you see it, or is my light too reflective? It's a really nice translucent version of Mirage, and of course, if you buy Transformer toys, let's put this here while oh, I found the artwork pala, sorry. The artwork for the two is clearly seen here. Very nice artwork. The Siege line have spectacular artwork on their boxes. Too bad I don't keep boxes. So yeah. Alright, let's put this aside and focus on these two. Like I was saying before I got distracted by the box, it comes with a transformation manual. Seems clear enough. There we go. Printed both sides. I guess they have to, since we have 3 figures here. Okay, let's get them out of their clamshells. Wait. Okay, let's do Mirage first, since he's an Autobot. See, I saw somewhere that these same symbols are actually their ranks in their respective armies. I'm not too well versed in it, so I can't tell you what rank Mirage is, but if you're interested, I think it's in their website, or not, if you could look at the other fan websites like Sabertron.com. So Here is Mirage in his plastic prison. We're gonna liberate him now. Sorry for all the reflection. My light is really bright and I have shadows there. Lots of plastic. Let's cut him loose. I think that's all of them. Wait, there we go. That's garbage. And there he is. It looks nice. Looks very nice. See? Light passes through him very well. He's just... oh, sorry. Okay, stand. Stand up. Alright, he's standing up. Let's remove this. Yeah, let's also free up Aragon's limbs. This looks like his arm. It's like it. Yeah, let's put him here. Alright. Now for let's move this. Can you see him? Yeah. Impactor's turn. I really like his name, Impactor. It's like Impacto. Like Mirage, he has his Decepticon insignia, ranking of what he places in their army. Let's remove the plastic. And cut him loose. We'll do Aragon first. It's right here. Oh, he's holding him. He's holding his torso. I guess that's it. Oh, wait. His gun is still tied. There we go. Oh, yeah. His boots are Aragon's, what do you call this? Legs. Which transforms into boots. That's why he is so tall. He also has these two guns, which we will free up. Oops, it fell. It fell. And there we have it. It has two guns. You can put it here. Here. Yeah. So that's the two figures out of the box. They look really nice, especially like I bought this set because I like the Impactor version with this head better than the one that they're gonna sell, the Autobot version one. It looks a bit clunky, it looks boxy, and I've always known Impactor to have like this Spartan head. I really like the weaponizers. It adds a playability to the figure, like the same with the Same with Centurions before, if you're familiar with the Centurions. So, do you want to see? Let's see Aragon in his robot form. So let's remove this one. Remove his boots. Put him in there. Remove Mirage's backpack. Put him there. Remove this one, which will be Aragon's arms. I can already see it. Wait, no. See, this is the right. This is the left hand. This is his crotch, and this is his torso. That's his head. How do you put? Here we go. Okay, face the camera. There we go. And then, put this down. There's a peg hole there. Now we have a limbless robot. Okay, that's his torso. You can put his arms now. And now for his legs, you flip this. So this looks like the right leg, and do the same here. Okay, and insert them here. And ta-da! You can get this one and give it to him. And there you have it, the Hasbro Siege War for Cybertron Trilogy Fan Vote Battle 3-pack. Impactor, Mirage, and Aragon. If you're interested to get a copy of these yourselves, wait, let's remove the sisters. There we go. I suggest you head on over to your Toy Kingdoms or contact or your fan specialty toy shops in Green Hills or where you buy your toys, and get yourself a copy. These are really good quality figures. They feel nice to the hand, and the paint jobs are good, great. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. That's them, all of them together. We'll transform them a bit later. I just wanted to get them out of their box and show them off to you guys. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you like this kinds of video and the other kinds of video that I do, I do videos about local comics, and I do about videos about local events. Also, some of I'm going to do art stuff soon. Just figuring out how to do it. Hope you can subscribe, share this video, put a like, ring that bell, and all that. Okay, thank you for watching.